welcome back to my channel. So it has been a very hot minute since I last sat down and filmed for you guys. This third trimester, I'm already on my third trimester of pregnancy. I'm currently 33 weeks and 6 days or 7 days, but I'll be, today's Thursday. I'm filming this on a Thursday and tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow I'm going to be 34 weeks officially. But this third trimester has been such a journey that it's been crazy. That's why I haven't filmed in so long, and I know that my last video prior to this is just basically the same thing. It's going to be, by the way, this is going to be my, what month are we in? November Boxycharm unboxing. And this is just going to be a simple unboxing, not a try on style. I know that my last video, like I said, was a Boxycharm unboxing, but that was also a try on style. But this one is just going to be strictly unboxing the product and showing you guys what I got and what I received in this month's box. But like I was saying, third trimester has been crazy. All I wanted to do throughout this whole entire third trimester was just to sleep, and I've been having trouble sleeping for the last couple of weeks now. Like, I've been having trouble falling asleep. I lay on my bed around maybe midnight, 1ish, and then I don't fall asleep till like 2 hours later, so it's crazy. But the fatigue has been real, and that's why I just haven't been filming. I'm sorry if the videos are back to back, like they're the same, like last one was a Boxycharm and then now it's going to be a Boxycharm. But I wanted to sit down and film for you guys today because I'm not as tired as I normally am, and today's Thursday, so Thursdays is usually when my nurse usually comes in to give me my MIKASA shots. MIKASA shots are progesterone shots, and they basically prevent you from having preterm labor, which I have a history of. So she came in earlier today. It is currently 11 o'clock in the morning, but she came in around maybe an hour ago, and it took me a while, or an hour and a half ago, but I'm just filming right now because I did do just a simple makeup, and I was trying to set up my camera and my tripod. I was trying to figure out why my tripod was crooked, and I realized that the legs were uneven. But yeah, so it's been so long, so I don't want to yap too much because this month's Boxycharm unboxing, or this month's Boxycharm, is very different from last month, or it's just completely different. So I don't want to take too much time with this intro. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. I'm going to try my very best to upload as much videos as I can, go back to the uploading schedule, the filming schedule, and all that before this baby comes. So if you guys would like to see what I received in this month's Boxycharm, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I do have a playlist of all my Boxycharm unboxing. It could be an unboxing or a try-on style, and I also do have a playlist of Ipsy versus Boxycharm. Like I said, today it's just going to be a simple unboxing. This month Boxycharm has changed the game, and they upped the price a little bit, and they also introduced some new customizations and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between this month's Boxycharm in terms of size wise and last month. I only have the regular box because I do pay for my own subscription. I don't have the premium box. I know that a lot of Boxycharm unboxings recently has been comparing the regular Boxycharm to the premium, but I do pay for my own Boxycharm, so I only have the regular Boxycharm. So this is what the new Boxycharm looks like, and the old Boxycharm, this was last month. So I didn't get to upload last month's Boxycharm, but I do have a ton of new makeup to try for you guys, so I do want to incorporate whatever new makeup I have in a new video, so in my next video. But this is the size comparison. As you can see, it is much bigger or taller. It's basically the same width, but height-wise is very different. So this was last month's Boxycharm. This basically was the size of the past Boxycharm, but this one is much more taller, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys what is new with this month's Boxycharm and what lies ahead. Like I said in the beginning of this video, Boxycharm has raised its price, not that much, just maybe $4. So the new Boxycharm is now $25 a month, and you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size products, and the value of the box is usually up to $200 value. And then they also have what's called the Boxycharm Premium. But the Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and the box is going to be worth over $285. And in the Boxycharm Premium, you are guaranteed to have 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, free shipping, you get to choose one item every month, early access to add-ons, and Boxy pop-up. So there's a very big difference. You also get customization, which is awesome. I think that's really such a great addition to the Boxycharm subscription. And right now they're also running a promotion. I think they did this last month too. If you guys are just joining Boxycharm or new members, you will get there's a coupon here called Gobble Gift. So when you subscribe to Boxycharm on the website, I'll have the Boxycharm link down below. It's not an affiliate code or anything, but you will get a free gift when you subscribe to Boxycharm for the first time. So you will either get the Tarte Clay Play face shaping palette or the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette, each valued at $45. So yeah, I think that's a very good deal. But I'm very excited for this month's box and very excited for the next boxes of Boxycharm. I did pause my Ipsy because I don't know. I think I like Boxycharm better than Ipsy, but I did pause my Ipsy. But Boxycharm has been my favorite out of all subscription boxes besides FabFitFun. But Boxycharm has been my favorite between Ipsy and Boxycharm. Boxycharm has just been my favorite, and I love how Boxycharm has upped their game and upgraded and all that. So I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and unbox this month's Boxycharm. So I did take a sneak peek of some of these products on the Boxycharm Instagram page, so I kind of know what we're getting. But some of the stuff they do have different variations. Let's see what we got. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. Really nice. I love it. And like I said, so excited to dig into this box. Alright, so as always, Boxycharm will always have a pamphlet and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the pamphlet is. And this month's theme is called Boxycharm Stellar. So this is what the card looks like. And when you open it up, you will see all of the products that will come in your box, as well as the retail value for each of the products and how to use them. And you also have a picture of Nikita Dragon right there. Oh, not Nikita. Yeah, Nikita Dragon. And then there's also a coupon for 30% off of Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette number 28. So it says visit the Boxycharm and you can use the code. I'll just enter the code on the screen over here. But yeah, that's exciting. Alright, so the first thing that I actually dug up is this one right now. This is another new thing that Boxycharm has added to its subscription boxes, is that they will give you guys, this is like a sampler, I guess. So this is actually from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the concealer, the undercover lightweight concealer. This is again like a new customization that Boxycharm has added. They give you about 4 to 5 shades, and you can pick which shade you want, obviously, or which shade would work well for you. I think for me it would either probably be the fair or maybe no, light to medium, fair to light medium. I kind of like my concealer to be kind of like my under eye to be highlighted, so I like my concealer to be a little bit lighter, like than my skin tone or than my actual foundation, like a shade lighter than my actual foundation. Yeah, this is exciting, and then you can go on the website and they also have more shades available right here. So that's exciting. I can't wait to try this out. And I actually didn't know that Pretty Vulgar has concealers. I really love Pretty Vulgar because their makeup products are so amazing. So I'm excited to try this out. Alright, so let's just go ahead and dig into the box right here. The very first thing I'm going to grab are these lashes right here, and these lashes are from Lilly lashes. So I've never really owned anything from Lilly lashes. I have a couple of lashes in my collection, but nothing from Lilly lashes. So these are again from Lilly lashes, and this is the Lilly lashes Faux Mink lashes. These retail for $25. This is in the style CEO. So again, like I said, this is in the style CEO. I love how beautiful these lashes look. I don't always wear lashes all the time because I do have a toddler, so getting ready is very, I need some time to get ready to really actually have time to put lashes on to, you know, put lashes on. What am I trying to say? I need some actual time, more time than my usual 10-minute routine to actually put lashes on. So usually when I do put lashes on, it's usually for a fancy event or something like that, a special occasion. But I can't wait to try this out. Like I said, I do have a couple of lashes in my collection, so this is exciting. Really love this. And I've heard a lot of good things about Lilly lashes, so I'm excited to try this out. Next up are these right here. Looks like these are makeup brushes. So these are from Boxycharm actually. So Boxycharm created their own brush set. So this is a two-piece, wow, I can't talk today. Two-piece brush set, and this retails for $35. They feel very, very heavy. Alright, so these are what the brushes looks like right here. Very, very exciting. They feel very, very soft, and the shape of these brushes are really, really unique. So I'm excited to try this out. This looks like it would be good for foundation because it does have a thicker brush, like a wider brush, as you can see. And then this one would probably be good for like contouring or whatever, but or yeah, contouring. Really love that. Again, the shape of the handle is really, really interesting. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. Again, they feel really soft, they feel really luxurious, and they feel very heavy. Really, really excited about this product. Next up is this one right here. This one is from Dose of Colors. I received some Dose of Colors lip products before in my past Boxycharm. So this is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got the shade Charm. So let's just go ahead and open it up and let's swatch it for you guys. I really love the formula of the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick because I feel that they're not drying at all and they last for quite a bit. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then I like the applicator on this. So that is what the applicator looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So that is what the lip product looks like. I really, really love the shade of this. I think it's such a beautiful color, perfect for the fall or the upcoming holiday season, and it's a nice like brownish brick red shade, and I think it's such again a beautiful, beautiful shade. So can't wait to try this out. Again, I like the formula of the Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick, so very exciting. And I don't remember if I told you the price for this one. So the price for this one is $18. Okay, next up is a box, and this one is from a company or a brand that I've never heard of before. This one is from Kypris. This is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, and this one retails for $90. Wow, very expensive. So this is what the actual the box looked like, the packaging, and then I'm going to show you guys what the actual packaging looks like. I absolutely love serums. I think they're just such a great skincare product, and $90, wow. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. I really, really love the color of this. I think it feels so luxurious, and the packaging again is so cute. So it does have like a little dropper thingy, and I'm gonna try my best to open this. Alright, so this is what it looks like. The consistency of this is a little bit thicker than normal for a serum, but I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. Smells really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a drop of this over here. I don't want to put too much because it's $90. Okay, really love that. I think it just made my skin look more hydrated, and yeah, I'm excited for this one. And again, the smell of this is not too overpowering. It smells like a spa, so I am excited. Again, I love serums. So far, my skin has been pretty good to me, and so has my hair. So knock on wood, it stays that way. I have a couple more weeks before this pregnancy ends. So there is one more product in the box, and it's something so exciting because I've always wanted to purchase something from Dominique Cosmetics or try something from Dominique Cosmetics aside from her lip product. We received her lip product, one of her lip products a couple of months ago, or I think it was during the summer, and that lip gloss is just so amazing. It's from her limited collection, I believe. But this one is her palette. So this is not the full size, but this is kind of like the mini version of it. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $35. So this is what the actual packaging looked like. Really pretty. Love this one. And then when you open the palette up, it has a nice mirror to it, so it's a little blurry, but it has a nice mirror to it. And some of my shadows, the pink one kind of like looks shadowed, but not shadowed, but some of the powders came out. But that's what the palette looks like, and it looks so pretty. I love the shade, the array of shades that it offers. It has your neutral shade, but it also has some pops of colors, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my arms and show you guys what they look like. Okay, you guys, so these are what all the eyeshadow palette or the eyeshadow shade look like from the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. And again, they swatch really beautiful. Really love the highlighter shade. I think that would be perfect to highlight your brow bone and your inner corners, as well as highlighting using it as an actual highlighter for your face. So they really swatch really beautifully, and they're very pigmented, felt so buttery, and they don't seem patchy or anything at all. Cannot wait to try these out. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and calculate how much my box is worth for this month. Okay, so I calculated how much my box is worth, and this is how much my box for this month is worth, and my box for this month is worth $203. That is insane. And again, the price for this month's Boxycharm has raised up a little bit, but the value of the box is just so worth it, and you get so much product, and I absolutely love every single product that I received in this month's box, and I cannot wait to try them out and play around with them and show you guys in a new makeup tutorial. I haven't done a makeup tutorial on my channel in so long, and I hope that I still know how to do it, because I felt like today in this video I feel like I was rambling. It's been so long, but those were all the products I received in this month's Boxycharm. The pamphlet also has a number in it, which is a variation number, and I got variation number 6. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys got the same items as me, or if you guys have the same variation as me. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this month's box, or what you think about the upgrade from Boxycharm. I think I absolutely love the upgrade that Boxycharm has. It's amazing. Again, Boxycharm has upped their game, stepped up their game, and I also love the fact that they have been including a lot of palettes lately, so that is a plus. Save me money on buying new makeup, because I haven't bought new makeup in so long, and Boxycharm has helped me experience all those new things in terms of new makeup. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this month's box and all that stuff. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for understanding my just out of the blue YouTube hiatus. I have been vlogging, so you guys who do not follow me on my vlog channel, I will have that, or I will always have that link to my vlog channel down below in the description box, and I'll also link my latest vlog video on the screen somewhere over here, but I always have the link to my vlog channel down below in the description box. So be sure you guys subscribe, because I always have updates on my pregnancy and all that, and just a bunch of lifestyle things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for understanding my complete out of the blue YouTube hiatus in terms of makeup related stuff. Yeah, I just threw on something and all that because I really missed filming for you guys, and I figured I'll just film my unboxing for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and down below in the description box, or down below, not in the description box, but don't forget to subscribe, and I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you guys so much for all of the support and for always sticking with me, even though sometimes my uploading schedule is just not consistent. Pregnancy is almost over, and I cannot wait to meet my baby boys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!